In this video tutorial, let me show you how to make this beautiful welcome slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Let me go to Insert, go to Picture, go to this device. I have to add a picture. Let me click on this picture. Click on this, go to crop, aspect ratio 16:9 and place it like this. Click on outside and make sure it covers the whole slide. Then go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape, drag it over here like this. Shape outline, make it no outline, shape fill, white fill. Click on right button, go to Format Shape, go to Gradient Fill, select any gradient color from here, then select this stops, change the transparency from here. You may click on this, you may change the transparency. So this is looking perfect. Let me go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a line shape and drag it over here like this and place it here. Go to Shape Outline, make it white outline, shape white line, outline white, make it 6 point. Then go to Format Shape, Joint Type, let me click on Round and the cap type will be round. Then let me click on this, press Ctrl D to make it duplicate, decrease the size and place it like this and place it here. Again press Ctrl D to make it duplicate, place it here. Then again press Ctrl D to make it duplicate, place it here, rotate it and place it like this. Again press Ctrl D to make it duplicate and place it here like this. Let me decrease the size, height 0.78. Let me select it also 0.78. Then this is looking perfect. Then let me select this one, go to End Arrow Type, select this arrow type. Then let me select this one, go to Begin Arrow Type, select this arrow type. This is looking perfect. Now I have to add a text box. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here like this. And right here, Welcome, change the font color and increase the size and increase the spacing very loose and place it here. Make the font more bigger. Then select all of this, place it here, then click on this, go to Shape Format, go to Text Effect, go to Shadow, select Offset Bottom, go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a arrow right shape and drag it over here like this, place it here, go to Shape Outline, no outline, Shape Fill, white fill, Shape Effect, Bevel, this bevel. You may change the color from here. This is perfect. Then go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box, drag it over here, right here, select this, make it center, increase the size, make it very loose and change the color from here and bold it. Now select all of these lines, press Ctrl G to group, hold down the Shift key, make it bigger and place it here and rotate it like this. Then click on right button, group, ungroup. Now I have to add some animation. Let me select this one, go to Animation, click on Wipe, change the duration to 0.75, then select this one, click on Wipe, Effect option from right, click on After Previous 0.75. Then click this one, Wipe, Effect option from top, after previous 0.75. Then select this one, Animation Painter, click on this, Effect option from left. Then select this one, Animation Painter, click on this, Effect option from bottom. Then let me select this one, click on Wipe, Effect option from left, on click After Previous, change the duration to on seconds. Then again select this text box, go to Add Animation, click on Pulse, change the duration to on seconds, on click After Previous. Then go to Animation Painter, go to Pulse, go to Timing, repeat until next click, click on OK. Then click on this one, click on Float In, then click on this, on click After Previous, change the duration to 0.50. Then let me select this one, go to insert, go to links, click on next slide, click on OK, and go to animation, click on wipe, effect option from left, on click, after previous, then click on right button, make a new slide. Now I have to watch the slideshow. Go to here, let me click anywhere. This is looking perfect. If I click on this, then I will go my next slide. This is actually empty. If you add some text here and click on this, go to transition, you may add some transition very easily. Now let me go my first slide. Now click on this. This is my second slide. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe.